Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the carburetor on the Corvette. So it's been having some issues where I'm guessing it's done got gummed up inside. I don't know. This carburetor literally is probably like 15, 14 years old at this point. We got it when we first got the car. So it's just time to go ahead and change the carburetor. So what I got to replace it is, but this is an Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor that's 650 CFM, and I think this would be a good replacement. So let's go ahead and get started taking this old one apart.